Hello everybody, my name's Kevin Lombard with Lombard Equipment, and with me today I have my amazing assistant Duke Sadney. And that's what, no, we're not welding. You need the goggles. We're not welding without safety goggles. We'll do that in a minute. Plots. He just gets so excited when it comes to welding. That's it, I know, what a good boy. We're gonna show you this welder, this PTI G. This is a spot welder. I'm sorry, this is the PTI S7. This welder, if you guys do not have a spot welder, what you are asking your technicians to do is literally cut trees down with an axe. As where most of the industry is using spot welders, which by the way, automobiles are spot welded together, so you really shouldn't be plug welding them back together with MIG welders from the 70s. And if you are, most of your competitors are using a chainsaw. That's the efficiency difference to a MIG welder. Literally, it's 5 times faster. So if you don't have a spot welder, you're asking your guys to cut wood with an axe when you ask them to plug weld, because they have to drill a hole, then they have to MIG weld, then they got to grind, then they got to putty, then they got to sand. And if money's been an issue, it's no longer an issue, because this welder sells for in the mid-20s. We have this welder for $74.95. It's a 3-phase welder. It has auto weld technology. It's liquid cooled right to the electrodes. It has 20-foot cables on it. Most of these welders come with either 1 or 3 arms. This has 7 arms with it. And look at these arms too, folks. They're like brand new. They're like brand new. You're saving thousands and thousands of dollars. This welder too also has with it single side capabilities, and which means you can do single side welding, and you can also too pull dents, weld studs, weld nuts, washers. Amazing value. If you don't have one of these welders, this welder, you are paying for it in wasted time. Call the 800 number, put an end to the craziness.